it goes. So guys, from the last time that we were working on the bike, the old school Honda Dalium, like looking chopper. So this is it now, the frame. We're painting it with primer. There's the can there. And we're just going to note down these bolts. Here, Ruta, here it is. Hold the bike. No, hold it there. Yep, hold it there. Yep. So where's our spanner? So we'll take it off. So this bolt there, that's for the brake cable. You see it there? So we are going to take that off. Brake cable. Ruta, grab the glad wrap. And this here for the either the muffler.
I can see it. Now I can.
Either for the muffler or the.
That's for the pig.
The pigs?
Maybe.
Yeah, that bolt. So it goes on there. Okay? So the other one goes here for the brake cable. And that's the other one here. So what's this one for? Anybody know what this bolt's for? Do you know? These two. So you just write down. No, I think this is the pig. Hold that there. Hold it steady. I think that's the pig there. There's one there, but the bolt came from this one. Yeah, those two. That's right, Ruta Benjamin and Alate Mai. Yeah. Okay, you cool? So you can. There you go, look at. Oh, look. Ruta, do you know what to write down? What? No. The bolt for the front cable brake. And the other bolt is for the back frame. Just write down either for muffler or peg. The right side muffler. Turn it slightly too. Oh, that. Call Ezra and them to come and help. To clean up here. And then after when this is done, we're going to turn it upside down. That's on Monday when it's all dry. Can you fellas just check what else needs to be done?
Look at that. The back is not done yet.
Oh, stop.
Not like that, stupid.
Turn. Turn to you. Turn more.
Go ahead. Put your legs down.
It actually said you need to turn forward.
Let it go. Yep, keep going. Let it go.
Boy,
Let it go.
why are you pulling
Yep,
me?
follow that.
Next, no. In your hand. No, that's you. Next. Move your hand.
Yeah, hold it right there.
How?
I'm holding it.
Go get the spray can. I don't know where it is. Go get it. And then I'll leave it.
Dad, the video just stopped.
Yeah, it's all right.
Oh no, it's still going.
Still going.
Yeah.
It's good. Careful, move out of the way. Be careful you don't get go and hit the frame. Shake it. Yeah, that's right, shake the can.
Yeah. Shake it. That's it. Get out. Oh, where?
Because your face is only going live. We're painting the buggy with the sand. Wow.
Ow! Okay. Put it there again. Right here.
Ooh. Oh,
You can go outside.
go away.
Why?
Go away.
No.
Hold that there. Right there. Right there. I mean, sir. Hold that there. Hold
The
it right
sellotape. He's holding the sellotape. He's holding the sellotape.
there. Turn it some more there. Right?
Just paint.
You guys don't know? I touched it. I touched it.
No,
Why?
that's paint.
Why have I touched it?
You're gonna get paint on me like the same.
If you get a Mac.
Huh?
If you get a Mac.
What's a Mac?
Mac.
Math.
Mac like this. Yeah?
Yeah, you get painted too.
I'll paint my head. Yeah. Help me.
Ah.
order before. So why we're here? I'm not going to.
Ah.
Yeah. Okay, move out.
Bye-bye.
Yep, where's the door? Okay, push the button. No, no.